This BizHomart Electric Wall Fireplace 48 inches insert is an energy-saving, elegant firebox with a convenient multi-function remote control. This recessed electric fireplace is safe and can be installed simply in the living room, bedroom, or study room as a user manual. Families can sit together, enjoying a relaxed and warm atmosphere. The wall-mount fireplace flame can be used with or without heat, so no matter what season it is, you can create a cozy and comfortable atmosphere in your home. It also features overheating protection, so it is completely safe and easy to use, ideal for use in fireplace surrounds or as a set-in. This insert will provide glowing warmth and ambience for a lifetime. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Dimension. Overall dimension: 48 inches width by 17.7 inches height by 6.02 inches depth. And wall opening dimension for 48 inches fireplace: 44.75 inches width by 17.01 height by 6.03 inches depth. Number 2. Installation options. The fireplace can be easily wall-mounted or in wall recessed according to your preference. Hardware and accessories included. Hardwired and plugged are allowed. Number 3. Flame effect. 6 light intensities for your selection. Ultra-high intensity LED lights with large display glass provide you with warm modern life. 3 color flame. Log set and crystal ember bed create realistic and colorful flame effects. Both the heat and flame settings can be operated through a remote and control panel. Number 4. Safe heater. The heated air vent is located in the upper front area. The electric blower makes it more environmentally friendly without gas or wood burning. The heater will automatically stop heating when the desired ambient temperature is reached. 2 temperature scales can be toggled with the remote. The LED screen displays the current settings with corresponding Celsius or Fahrenheit. The flame could dance with or without heat. It operates on 1,500 watts with a voltage of 120. Number 5. Convenient operation. Control panel and remote control. 1 to 8 hours timer control and adjustable temperature offer you an extremely user experience. Smart display and multiple flames effect make it a great decoration for home life. Number 6. LED smart screen. The visual panel can display the flame and temperature. The LED screen indicates 2 temperature scales, Celsius or Fahrenheit. Number 7. Fully recessed in wall. The 48 inches recessed electric fireplace could be fully recessed into the wall easily. You can install it flush under the TV and enjoy the happiness brought by TV programs in the living room while enjoying the warmth brought by BizHomart. Its black frame gives the room a sleek, modern look. Number 8. Wall-mounted. You can use BizHomart's installation accessories and brackets to hang this 48 inches electric wall fireplace on any wall in any room by yourself easily. With stylish glass, realistic flame effect, fabulous color options, delicate logs, and crystals, this wall-mounted electric fireplace brings a modern look to your living room and entertainment center, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.